Do you ever buy Rug Doctor solution? You tired of paying the high price? I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade Rug Doctor solution that makes your carpet smell like fresh, clean laundry. This is Steve from MoneySmartFamily.com. Watch this. This is super simple. One time I was cleaning the carpet, I ran out of Rug Doctor solution, so I Googled Rug Doctor solution knockoffs and came up with this solution. We've made it our own. It smells great, and we use ingredients mostly from the dollar store and any type of laundry detergent you have. You start with 1 gallon of really hot water, and then we use 2 tablespoons of non-bleach laundry detergent. That's 1. That's 2. Stuff is super concentrated and it smells great. The next step is to use some of the dollar store LA Totally Awesome cleaning solution, and that's this stuff. This stuff only costs $1 for half a gallon. You use 1/4 cup of this solution. 1/4 cup. Pour it in. And the last thing is 1 scoop of OxyClean, or this is the generic LA's Totally Awesome from the dollar store. And 1 scoop of that. Put in. Shake it up, and it's ready to go. Just want to mix up the solids of the laundry detergent. That's all it takes. We'll show you how it works in a minute. So you just start by pouring the solution into your reservoir. As long as everything is dissolved, you can just pour this right in. And I have it heated, so that's going to help clean the carpet. When we're cleaning the carpet in a whole room, what I'll do is I'll come in before we actually use the carpet cleaning solution, and I'll spray a little bit of the Dawn and Pre-Spot. This is the Dawn and hydrogen peroxide. And I scrub it a little bit, but I don't try to get all the spots out. I just want to work it into the carpeting. And then when we use the carpet cleaner, they'll usually get it right up. We really like this Copycat recipe for Rug Doctor solution. It smells fantastic, and it does a great job cleaning the carpet. And used along with our hydrogen peroxide and Dawn spotting solution, it gets the carpets clean in no time at all. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, or subscribe to our channel, or put on the notifications so that you get notified every time we put up a new video.